Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear candidate for MRCS exam. I think the young surgeon needs help to pass MRCS examination. If you are just relying on studying and books only, you probably will be very difficult to pass the MRCS Part B OSCE examination. A lot of candidates, especially from the Middle East, did not get used to OSCE training. That is why in Vascular Art in New Cairo, we have created a center of education for postgraduate training. And the main stem of the training is MRCS OSCE Station. There you will find a good training course that we have already performed and are going to continue. And this course is to prepare you to pass MRCS Part B examination. And in this course, we have two advantages. Number one, that this course is made by Royal College experienced examiners. Professor Shireen Hariri, Professor Assam Al-Adi, Professor Mahmoud Salah. So you will get a direct supervision and direct assessment by an examiner in the Royal College. A lot of you fail the exam and does not know why he has failed or which area he needs to improve. We are hoping to cover this gap. The second advantage, we use artificial intelligence to help you to study and show you how artificial intelligence can be your best partner. So it can play an actor, it can play an examiner, it can give you testing, it can give you a study protocol, it can give you a study schedule to pass the exam. And most importantly, it gives you assessment, how you have performed. We have created a dedicated artificial intelligence tool to help MRCS Part B candidate. We have trained this tool to see videos of you doing suturing, doing excision biopsy, doing multiple skills in 1 minute video, and it will give you artificial intelligence assessment how you have performed. We hope to increase the chances of you passing the exam. We have done the first wave in September 2024, which we have received a lot of encouragement how the candidate benefited from this course. We are going for the second wave on 17th and 18th of October. We all, as an examiner, follow the code of conduct as an examiners of the Royal College. So we hope that we can help young surgeons who we know are very good surgeons to pass this exam first shot. We always wish you all the best. We have a dedicated team in Vascular Art to help you to pass the exam. And if you need any help, you can contact us on the mobile or social media or any platform you wish. I hope that we can help you. I hope you can join us. There is always a few places left for you to join in. And I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Al-Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon with my all best wishes.